It turns on, it comes on every minute just to check if it has to report or not. That's all it's gonna do. Okay, the display here, this is how it works. You can see everything here for analog inputs and digital inputs and outputs. And also you're going to see the flow rate and total counter or total volume through the unit. And you can also force the unit to report, even if it's not, if it's 6 hours. Right now, every six hours is going to be 12/6, 12/6. Okay, if it's 3 o'clock or 2 or whatever, and you want to report just to make sure everything is working, then you can do it from here. Right now it's running this little box here. This little box, it's a test box. It's made for not just for this unit, for many other products that we have, and not everything is enabled here with the unit, but enough for you to see how it works. Okay, so these are switches for the digital inputs. Right now we have only one working. The other three, those are not wired in. So just for you to see it working, we're going to use the number one. And then you have digital outputs, and we have 3 digital outputs here, so it's L1, 2, and 3. And then we have 3 analog inputs. This unit has 4 analog inputs. We have 3 wired in, so it's 0, 1, and 2. Okay, that's analog input. That's 4 to 20 milliamps right now, but it can work either way, either 4 to 20 milliamps or 1 to 5 volts. Okay, let's see how it works. If you want to turn it on at any time, you just have to place this magnet here for a couple seconds, and that's it. So it's going to come on. You have to wait until whatever you had it before you turned it off, it's going to show you. Let's say if it was showing you the digital input 1, then it's going to come on digital input. Right now it says input voltage. So you can see the voltage of the battery here. Okay. If you leave it like that, it's going to come off. I think it's 1 minute after the last input, after the last movement here. So if you leave it like that, it's going to turn off it by itself again. You can keep rolling, and to see everything what is configured, you just have to get it close to it. And then the next thing that you're going to see, it's going to be total per pulse. Right now I have 506, which is how many pulses have gone through the unit. Okay, it can be barrels or it can be cubic meters, whatever it is. Then if you go again, you're going to see the flow rate. Okay, live. This is live. So right now it's 0. We don't have any pulses coming in. So you see 0 here. You go close again, then you're going to see analog input 0. Okay? Analog input 0, which is this one here. Let me see, this box. Analog input 0, it's this one here. So right now it's showing 0.363. If we just move it here, you're going to see it live changing 2.3, and full scale here, which is 50. Okay, so this analog input goes from 0 to 50, but it can go from 0 or from 20 or from 30, whatever you want, from to be the scale. I'll show you later how to configure that using the software. Okay, it turned off itself, so let's turn it back on. I think it's, let's see, it takes a little bit to store everything and go to the off position. So I can't turn it on right away. I have to wait until it goes off, right, like that. Okay, so it's going to show me analog input 0 because that's where I was before it went off.